How about a nice creative cocktail idea? Except it's not a cocktail. It's going to be a flavored pineapple spear. We're going to do Malibu Bay Breeze, and we're going to make it in a way that the fellas will enjoy it because it's going to have some punch. Let's build Malibu Bay Breeze pineapple spears. Strain. 4 ounces of an Over Proofed Rum. 6 ounces of our coconut rum. And top it off with some cranberry juice. Give that a good shake. And we're going to put that in the refrigerator for about a week. So we're back. We got about a 6-day soak. I couldn't wait the full 7 days. I'm excited. They're nice and cold. Let's try them out. Wow. Wow, is that serious business? You're met immediately with that overproof rum. This is like the perfect addition poolside, whether you're having a summer themed shot. This is excellent stuff. For some more cocktail ideas, some more recipes, some more deliciousness, like, subscribe, and follow us. Thanks guys for watching.